Okay, let's refresh our previous configuration that we have done. First is edit, copy, delete company code. We will go through this node. And it will take us to the configuration node. So first step is a company code. Check company code. Oh, sorry. Edit company code data. Okay. WGL overseas, Orient overseas global. And this was based out of Dubai. Okay. Then next part is after company code plant. Find plant. WGL. Okay. If we double click, we have many more. Factory calendar will be AE if you have it. Yes. Save. Okay. Find plant to company code. Plant. This is easy step. GL and WGL is assigned with WGL. Okay. Then comes account group, new, double click, define account group. WGL, and we have a list of all of the numbering range that we will use for various GL segments. Okay, this is we have created, and this is we have given manually. Okay. Then next is define retained earnings account WOGL. After account group, this is the next one. Retained earnings account is used for balances at the year end and month end. These are carried forward. After account group and retained earnings, we create fiscal year variant. Fiscal year, fuel start fiscal year. Assign company code to fiscal year variant. Global settings new. Assign company code to fiscal year variant and WOGL. It is K4. Okay. January, December will be our posting pattern. And what we have assigned in variants, let's see, WGL, and we have WGL, and let's see what are the posting periods in WGL. And we have from period 1, 2025 to 12th, 2025, and 13 and 16 basically are for adjustment. for taxes, depreciation, reconciliation for material and bank details. So from the very start of the series of accounts for assets, customers, vendors, material, and GL, we are starting from the very beginning, that is empty beginning, to the very last filled up ending. From 1 to 12, the whole year is open. Okay. After this, once we have chart of accounts and fiscal year variant all ready, we actually then go for financial field status variance. This is also necessary for entries. WGL. If we have 001, we can have our own, but we wanted to save time. And then comes controlling area, a necessary part, and it has some prerequisites before making a controlling area. Controlling area, maintain. WGL, double click, and we have global currencies. WGL currency valuation profile is also made and assigned. Fiscal year variant, this is the same in company code and the chart of accounts as well. Okay. On the basis of this, you can only assign company codes that match these two elements. Cost center hierarchy is WGL, financial statement version is INT, currency valuation profile, just we'll see that. Assignment of company codes. And cost centers are active, cost objects are active, variances will be captured also. That being done, next is currency and valuation profile. Valuation areas for material. No, valuation areas are plants for material ledger. Activate valuation areas for material ledger. Check material ledger settings, WGL. Execute. Currency and valuation profile doesn't exist. Okay, there is some problem with currency and valuation profile. Okay, currency and valuation profile. WGL. Okay. We can have company code currency and other currencies also. Assign material ledger types to valuation area. WGL. It is already assigned. Activate valuation areas. Okay. WGL. Okay, it is already assigned. Make it 2, which is transaction based, or 3, single or multi-level. 2, save, save. Okay, this is done. Currency and material ledger types, assign plant. This is also done. What remains back is ledger for CO version. Find ledger for CO version. WGL, and we have 0L, which is baseline ledger or leading ledger, which will post all the entries over here, and that will be reflected in controlling area. File ledger for CO version, location, chart of accounts, and what else? I've covered nearly everything. Settings for ledger and currency types. This is important part. Global settings, new. Find settings, this is important. Okay, zero L ledger, company code settings. WOGL, we have 10, 30, and Y1. What is 10? What is 30? 10 is company code currency. This is global currency. Zero is legal valuation. Zero is legal valuation. Three is global currency. Y1. Y1 is customized currencies. Now, where do we get the entries for this? From currency conversions. So GL, and we will have two entries over here. Group currency, 30 Y1. Group currency USD, GBP is a reporting currency. So this is defined. And that's it. That's the ledger settings that we have. Okay, so this is basically what we have actually summarized today. Yeah. Other than that, segments, of course, this is easy. Segments we have already covered. We'll cover it again. Let's see what it is. A segment, we have various segments that are business verticals or locations or profit centers. Those can be represented under a product. Yeah, like this is geographical Bangalore segment, car division, SUV division, bus division. These are segments, right? So we have different, I don't know whether we have something for WGL. WGL passenger vehicles and WGL SUVs. Yeah, so we have two segments. So that's about it today, and we'll continue from here then.